Fucking helicopters chasing these dudes on the quad, bro. He's looking for him.
Like when any cop cars are there, just see the helicopter.
Yeah, well, they're not gonna. Yeah, they're gonna keep the cop cars quiet. Try to triangular or corner them in somehow. But if they're smart, they're gonna hit off into the desert, and then there's just no way the cops are gonna be able to keep up to that. Oh, there's a light. Oh, so they gave up. Dude. Got their ass with the helicopter. Man, leave them kids alone. It just rained. It's all muddy.